They told you to work hard, get a degree, climb the ladder. But what if everything you were taught no longer mattered? While you're still following the rules, AI is rewriting them. The shift began silently. At first, it was just an assistant, answering questions, managing meetings. Then came the automations, warehouses, customer service, data entry, gone. Quietly, you thought, those are low-skill jobs. I'm safe. You were wrong. Now, AI writes code, creates ads, edits videos, passes law exams. In 2022, 12% of companies used AI. In 2024, 60%. By 2025, over 85 million jobs gone. Even creatives, artists, musicians, writers are being outperformed. Not someday. Now want to know where it hits first? Copywriting, finance, customer service, education, medicine, and the better AI gets, the less it costs. Think your job is safe? It isn't. If it can be written as code. AI doesn't sleep. It doesn't eat. It doesn't take breaks. If your value is built on repetition, you're already in danger. But this isn't a funeral. It's a wake-up call. Because if AI can replace you, it can also amplify you. Learn the tools, build your digital leverage, multiply your impact. The future belongs to those who move fast, not those who wait. AI isn't coming for your job. It's coming for your mindset. The clock is ticking. Subscribe to TechinoAI. We don't fear the future. We understand it. We use it. We own it.